Guys, you know how I brought a new doll? I wanted to show you guys some tricks she does. It's this kind of doll. Wait, you guys. See this? See this thing? It does what she does. And see this? See this? See this? And that's my hand holding it. Whenever I press this thing right here, wait. I press this button right here. When I hear, then she grants a wish, and she might make it right or wrong when I do this. I hope you guys love this doll as much as I do. I don't think you'll love it as much because I love her more. Okay.